Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to remove a repeater on Wix. This is a straightforward process that helps you clean up your website design and remove elements you no longer need. If you want to get started on Wix, you can click on the link in the description down below. Let's get started. First, head over to the Wix website and log into your Wix account. Once you're logged in and viewing your Wix dashboard, look to the left navigation menu where you'll find several options for managing your site. Click on Site and Mobile App and a drop-down selection will appear with additional choices. From this menu, go ahead and click on Website. This takes you into the area where you can manage your specific website settings and design. Now you'll be able to preview the website settings you currently have. It's important to take a moment here to make sure that this is the correct website you wish to remove a repeater from, especially if you manage multiple sites under your Wix account. Double-checking this now saves you from accidentally editing the wrong site later. From this page, locate the Design Site button, which you'll typically find on the top part of your screen, usually beside a pen icon. This button is your gateway to the Wix website editor, where all the design magic happens. Click on it to proceed to the editing interface. You'll now be directed to the Wix website editor screen. This is where you have full control over your website's layout and design elements. From here, start by locating the repeater you wish to remove. Repeaters are commonly used to display multiple items in a structured format like product galleries or testimonials, so scan through your page carefully to find the specific repeater element you want to delete. Once you've located the repeater, click on it to select the repeater element. You'll know it's selected when you see the selection handles appear around it. Now simply right-click on it and you'll see a menu with various options to customize the repeater. From the listed options, select Delete and it will instantly vanish from your website canvas. The removal is immediate, giving you a clean slate to work with or add new elements if needed. And that's it. You've successfully removed the repeater from your Wix website, cleaning up your design and making room for new content or features. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.